Hello, my African family. Hope you guys are good. I've noticed many people, when they get a cancellation, they get a 30 days grace period. And then they relax. They think that after 20 days or 15 days, they'll start their process in the last 5 or 10 days. Guys, let me tell you, this is Dubai. Things change overnight. Tomorrow you wake up, you might hear that, your visas are blocked, or maybe the migration is slow, or your nationality is not receiving any visas. You never know. Please, as soon as you get the cancellation, start your process. Because you might end up paying fines or might end up in overstay or absconds. And then you'll be like, why didn't I do it before? Because I've seen such cases. People delayed to put their visas or change their status, and believe me, they went into trouble. And now they absconded, especially for cancellation. Because cancellation means you were on an employment visa. And once you go into overstay and absconds, there is no one in UAE that will help you remove that abscond besides your employer.